right, guys. So for those of you that do not know me, my name is Antoinette. I'm a 30-year-old entrepreneur. I was originally born in the Toronto area, and now I literally just travel the world, hop from island to island, place to place, and I just love the fact that I have both time and financial freedom. And the avenue, like one of the main avenues that has got me there, guys, is just being an entrepreneur for one, but two, figuring out how to make money online. Okay. Figuring out how to make money online is one of the main reasons as to why I'm able to have both time and financial freedom. So I want to talk to you guys about three of the most powerful ways that I do it right now. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me. I'm always here to help. Okay. So first thing, the foundation for success. Before I tell you guys how to make money, I have to make sure you're ready to receive it. Anything that you can literally win the $1 million lotto. Okay, I've seen and heard a lot of people, they win $1 million and the money is done in like 2 weeks. No word of a lie. Why? They weren't ready to receive it. They didn't have the mindset to actually get that money and do something with it. So whenever it comes to making money or starting any type of business venture, your mindset has to be there. You have to believe in yourself and your potential. For me, I believe very strongly in law of attraction. What you think is what you're going to receive. So what I would like to tell you guys is every single morning, wake up in the morning, look yourself in the mirror and say, I am a millionaire. I am successful. I am worthy. I am important. Feed yourself words that's going to build you up. And before you even, if you want to own something, if you want to own a Lamborghini, a Porsche, a Mercedes, tell yourself you have it. I have a Lamborghini. I have a Porsche. I have a Mercedes. Guys, I used to sit down in my Acura, old Acura car, but I really wanted a Tesla. I literally bought the Tesla logo and I put it over the Acura A on my car. And call me crazy, but I said I have a Tesla every day for 6 months. And by the way, when I did this, I barely had anything in my bank account. I couldn't afford a Tesla. My credit was terrible. I had nothing going for me, but I was manifesting that one way or another. I'm going to get this Tesla. Prayer as well, guys. I believe in prayer too. Okay, but both go hand in hand. Seek and ye shall find. It's in the Bible. Seek and ye shall find, right? So I had that Tesla T over my Acura A. I'm sitting there, I'm driving my Acura, but in my head, I was driving in my Tesla. Like it was an Acura, but in my head, I was driving in my Tesla. I had my Tesla. I don't care how much money was in my bank account. Nobody could tell me I did not have my Tesla. Then, guys, it happened. I got it. Okay, I got it. I visualized my goal. I worked towards my goal. I was consistent. Okay, and I got it. So before I tell you guys how to make money, I have to make sure you have the mindset to actually make the money and keep it. So in my free group chat, I'm going to do a lot of mindset calls. We talk about mindset, we talk about the foundation. It's very important because you can lead a sheep to water, but you can't make it drink. Okay, so I want you guys to really understand mindset is very, very, very important on this journey. Okay, so the first way that I make money online that I highly recommend, if you don't know anything about making money online, if you have no experience, digital products and ebooks, guys. Literally, digital products and ebooks. You have to identify trending topics or your expertise. So the number one way to make money is having some type of value that you can provide to other people. Everyone is trying to learn something. Everybody started from somewhere. Everyone is trying to level up. A lot of people don't like their 9 to 5. They want to make money online, right? So digital products and ebooks is a source that you can get from online to teach people how to make money online. So if you don't know what to sell, or you have no time to create these products, get PLR ebooks. These are ebooks that are literally made and designed for you, ready to resell. You click it, you edit it, you rebrand it, and you can resell it. And for those of you saying, well, I don't know how to resell it, there are certain PLR ebooks that are about how to sell PLR ebooks. So imagine you're telling me now, okay, Antoinette, I want to sell ebooks. I want to make money in my sleep. I don't know how to do it. Get a PLR ebook that tells you how to make money in your sleep. PLR gives you the rights to resell that. So you can learn it and then edit it and resell it yourself using what you learned in the actual ebook. So I always say you have to get ebooks that are proven to convert and that are proven to sell. So I have a 12 PLR package ebook that I sell for $47. And I'm not selling you this, but I'm telling you how I make money in my sleep selling ebooks. It's this playbook right here. I've never tried anything else and I never would, personally, because I really like how this playbook converts. It has taught me how to make money with faceless reels, make money online with TikTok. It gave me 90 days of content ideas. I have email campaign templates. I have 111 ebook ideas in case I want to branch off and sell different things sometime in the future, right? All this value, it's only $47. These are done for you, ready PLR ebooks that you click, learn from, edit, and you can resell, right? Even while you're learning, resell it because a lot of people want to know how to do this stuff. How can I make money on Instagram Reels without ads? How can I send email campaigns that convert? How can I plan my social media content so that I can start making money when I post and not just posting to friends and family that are watching me? How can I do faceless TikTok marketing? There are channels out there that never show their face and they're making like 50,000 a month with faceless TikTok marketing. Okay? TikTok might be banned soon if you're in the US. So go over to Instagram, make money with faceless reels. $47. Now let's just say you buy this ebook because you want to learn from me, okay? You want to learn how to do everything I said right here. So great, you want to learn, you want to make money online, you buy the ebook. Now you have the opportunity to resell it if you want to. Let's say you did. 47 bucks, you sell 2 ebooks a day. Okay, that's $94 for the day. That's $2,914 per month. Selling 2 ebooks that taught you how to sell them that you could learn from. Okay? Like this business strategy is just a no-brainer to me. Now you sell 5 a day. That's 235, 7,285 a month. 10 a day, 14,000 a month. 20 a day, 20,000 a month. Selling a ebook package that teaches you how to sell it that you can resell. Okay? So trust me, PLR ebooks, guys, get on the wave. This is never going to die down. People are always going to want to figure out how to make money online and on social media of all age groups. And there's always new people learning different things every day. Now, how you sell it, I talk a lot about on these calls and in my free group chat. So once you purchase this ebook bundle, which I'll send you guys a link, well, it'll be linked in the description at the end of this video. Once you purchase the bundle, shoot me a message, say, hey, I got my bundle. I got all these 12 ebooks. I'm going to go through it. I'm going to start editing. Let's go over how to sell it. Just message me and I will show you guys the way. Okay. Way number 2, investing in forex trading. Guys, I had 7 gym locations across the GTA before COVID hit. So in Toronto, I had 7 gym locations. COVID came, I had to shut down all of my locations and still pay the bills for them. The landlord didn't care that the locations were shut down. The landlord did not care that it was COVID. I still had to figure stuff out. We had relief loans, we had things here and there, but it was not enough for me to say, okay, I can keep the gyms open, or sorry, I can keep the gyms closed and afford them. No, I had to find another way to make money. So I looked into forex trading. Guys, forex is the largest financial market in the world, okay? It's composed of a bunch of different currency pairs. Trillions of dollars they are traded within this market. We have access to the forex market with our phone. Every single person in the world has access to this market. So what you guys could do is buy and sell different currency pairs in order to make money. So the market moves in 3 directions: up, down, and sideways. If we think the market's going up, we place a buy. Think it's going down, we place a sell. If it's going sideways, we don't do anything. I teach you how to trade in the forex market on my YouTube channel, but I'll also refer you to other courses and communities and signal channels that will have you making money ASAP, having no experience. So the interesting thing about forex, guys, is the chart's moving up and down, and as a beginner, you may not know what to do. You may not know whether you should buy or whether you should sell. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to enter a signal channel, a VIP signal channel. I have free resources for you guys. Experts are going to send you trade ideas. You simply have to copy and paste those ideas in order to start earning in the Forex market. That's how I started. I still copy and paste now, but I have a lot of knowledge to trade on my own as well. But I started by copying and pasting trades. An expert would say, buy gold. Okay, I'll be like, okay, I'll get my phone. Okay, he's telling me to buy gold. Buy gold. There we go. I'm buying gold. I'm looking at my phone. I'm seeing gold. I'm seeing gold make me profit. I don't know why I bought gold. I don't know why he told me to buy gold. I just know he's an expert and he knows what he's doing, and I bought gold. I'm gonna show you guys my trading screen right now with one of my accounts. I have 3 different trade accounts. This is one of my trade accounts that I'm gonna pull up and just show you guys what I have running so far for the week, okay? So look at this at the top right here. If you guys can see it. It looks like it's a little blurry, but that at the top is $5,381 profit that I have running. You could see different trades. I have some trades open here. Blue is profit, red is loss, but overall, running trades, it's in profit. Okay, so this is copying and pasting signal ideas. I have the free course that you guys can get access to, group chat and signals. Just reach out to me. This is another great way to make money online ASAP. No experience. You just got to know how to copy and paste trades. And I also show you how to do that when you join. Okay. Now, earning potential with Forex. This is what I love. And this is what got me investing in Forex when my gyms were going down. Okay. Because of COVID. The earning potential. You have a $500 trade account, guys. If you make 2% profit per day, that's 57,000 by the end of the trading year. $1,000 trade account. If you make 2% profit per day, that's 115K by the end of the trading year. Now imagine you're able to make this profit copying and pasting other people's trade ideas. Just imagine. Now, some days you're gonna win, some days you're gonna lose. But even if I have 1,000 and it makes me 60,000 by the end of the year instead of 150K, I'm fine with that. Personally, I'm fine with it. So I use profits from the Forex market to fund my other dreams. Okay, and this is what I highly, highly, highly recommend. Now, the third way, freelancing and automation services. People out there always want services for their business, like graphic design, copywriting, social media management, email marketing. Okay. So you could literally go on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or source people directly on social media. You post what you offer for businesses and make 10 to 20K a month doing that, depending on your clientele. Now, you may be asking me, well, Antoinette, I don't know how to make websites. So how am I going to offer that to a business? Guys, go on Fiverr, find somebody that can make a website and bridge the connection between that freelancer and the CEO that you're talking to from that company. It is that simple. If they tell you, okay, I can make a website for $200 for your client, you go back to your client, you tell your client, all right, the website's 500. The difference that you're making is now 300. All you did was bridge a connection, right? So companies are always going to want these type of services. If you're interested in getting started with a service like this, where you're providing services to other companies, to CEOs, and you don't know where to start, just message me. Okay, message me, join my free group chat, ask questions. I always say it's not what you know, it is who you know. Who can teach you how to do different things from A to Z. Reach out to that person, follow their success, and you will get it. Okay, there's a lot of platforms out there. I'm going to go back to the slide for a second. There's a lot of platforms out there that are white labeled digital marketing platforms. So that means they'll actually help you set everything up from A to Z. And all you have to do is get traffic to your website. Have companies order these services and you fulfill them by being a middleman. Okay. Now I have resources to a lot of these platforms. Just reach out and ask more information, but I'm also going to post more videos on these platforms in my channel. So make sure you are subscribed. Okay. The power of consistency. Please be consistent. Stay consistent. Stay committed on your journey. Okay. Success takes time and effort. You got to learn from failures and keep pushing and balance learning with action. Now, you guys have the upper hand here because you're learning from a mentor. I'm going to speak about myself for a second that has failed multiple times, and I've learned from my failures and I could now teach them. Now, it's not to say I don't still fail. If failure means that you're trying. So there's still things that I fail at, new business ventures that I may fail at, things that I could work on. But the things that I have learned from is what's making me 7 figures a year. And that's what I could teach to you. Okay. So the power of consistency is very, 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 very important. All right. So, guys, with that being said, make sure you believe in yourself. Okay. Like here, I say choose a method and stay consistent. When I say a method, I mean get serious about making money online and stay consistent. Multiple streams of income is going to be the way that you provide your family with the financial freedom that you deserve. And your potential is limitless. So I want you to take these 3 ideas. I want you to write them down. Okay. Sell PLR ebooks, start trading in the foreign exchange market. And the last one we have here is outsourcing different websites and helping companies level up their business by being a middleman. Those 3 will make you a millionaire. And you can add an extra 4 just because. Okay, 7 average streams of income. All right. I'm telling you guys right now, passive income is the way to go. Just having that time and financial freedom. After this call, I am going to head over to the beach. But I'm originally from Toronto, which is extremely cold right now. And I left because I had the means to do that and I like the sun. So I'll go back there when it's a little warm. I really want to teach you guys how to have that same freedom. Somebody taught me, somebody's still teaching me. Okay. I always like to be in rooms where I'm the dumbest person in the room. Somebody taught me, and now I have the ability to teach you, and you are going to have the ability to teach and inspire others as well. So reach out to me or join my free community if you guys have any questions. And you know what I always say? See you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded.